Next up, I'm going to show you how to solve the ALEKS problem, identifying molecules that can hydrogen bond. So what ALEKS is going to ask in this question is two parts. First, which of the following molecules can hydrogen bond with another molecule like itself? And then part two is, which of the following molecules can hydrogen bond to water? So my tips for this question are as follows. Hydrogen bond only happens if a hydrogen is attached to oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine. So for part one, you can simply look for either oxygen and hydrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen, or fluorine and hydrogen. So, and then in part two, because water is mentioned as the other molecule and it has hydrogen in it, as long as the other compound have oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine in it, it can hydrogen bond. So let's start with part one. So part one is asking which ones can a hydrogen bond with molecules like itself. So I'll paste these up here so you can get the gist or see what I'm kind of talking about here. So with this one, what you want to do is picture that the molecule have one like itself that's right near it. And for it to hydrogen bond, the rule is that it has to be a nitrogen, oxygen, or fluorine, and then that a hydrogen has to be present so it could hydrogen bond. So even though like in the other parts of these carbons, hydrogen could be there. We only want to focus on kind of these two that when it comes to hydrogen bonding. So because a hydrogen is present in both of them, they pretty much will have hydrogen bonding that'll go on. Now, say with this example here, because no hydrogen is present and no hydrogen is present here. And of course, we already mentioned that these hydrogens that are on the aromatic compound won't count even though it could bond or it'll bond, it'll be just dipole, but no hydrogen. And then with the same example kind of for these other two. So really the only one from part one that a hydrogen bond is right here. And the next up for part two is we want to picture which ones can hydrogen bond with H2O. So we have our oxygen here, and I'll just go ahead and throw my lone pairs on that and my two hydrogens. And as mentioned, with this one, you could just follow the simple rule. As long as you see nitrogen, fluorine, or oxygen, it can hydrogen bond because water has hydrogen in it. So this example, you see nitrogen here, so we'll check that. Oxygen right here, we'll check that. Fluorine right here, we'll check that. And then oxygen right here. Again, fairly simple, just refresh yourself on hydrogen bonding. And if this video helped you or your classmates out, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.